Hey guys, today we're gonna fix the Boxster's convertible top with these parts. Let's get into it. Well, first things first, we gotta get this nice hard top off, and then let me show you the rest. But it's basically gonna be right under here, under this panel, and it's a control arm and the ball joints at the end of it, and we'll show you where to locate it. All right, let's get this hard top off. Much better. All right guys, so we got to get this into service mode, and I'll show you how. You might want to have your car on a trickle charger because it might kill your battery, or just start your car. All right guys, so make sure you pull up your roof because ours is down, and there's these little plastic things. This is the first thing. You got to pull these off. Just push them straight down, just like that. Come right off. I don't know if you can see, but you see that ball joint with that wire connected? This keeps the top down, so you just pull it to the center of the car and it'll come right off. Yeah, right, just like that. And then you can pull it up, and then you got more access. This is what you're looking for. And then right here, see, it's your broken ball joint right there, and that's what you gotta replace, this end piece right here. Now with this, make sure you mark where it is on the thread, and then it just screws right off like that. Let's see them, how they look. There it is, guys. Just a little comparison, old, new. This is where I marked it, so it was only down to here. So I gotta screw it all the way down to here. Good way to see it is with the top down like this, and just directly straight down. Yeah. Oh, whoa, that's good. Ooh. All right, we got it on. It doesn't look like it's on all the way, but it clicked and it seems good. Same with his side. So we're just gonna try it. If it breaks, it breaks, but I don't know, should work. There we go. Woo! Guess it worked. Hope that helped you fix your problem, and if it did, make sure to leave a like and a comment, and I'll try to reply. If you want to see some more videos in the future, we have a little more things to do with it. Maybe clean up the soft top a bit, you know, make it look a little nicer. Might be a future video, so if you want to see that, make sure to subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. See ya.